channel. How you guys are? I really hope you guys are doing really great. So I came up with another video today, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about a newly launched product. It is none other than the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. As you can see, it is a newly launched product by Garnier and it is already very hyped. So I thought of coming up with a review as well and sharing my experience of trying this product out. So if you really want to know my experience and what are the product claims, price and what it does to your skin, then please keep on watching and let's get started with the video. So firstly, let's just talk about the product a little bit. So as you can see, this is the new launch and it is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum and it's the 30x Booster Vitamin C Serum. So it also contains yuzu lemon. The product is dermatologically tested. So coming to the packaging, if you see, it comes in a glass jar like this and has a white dropper over here through which you can extract the product from the bottle, and there is a label on top of it where the brand name and about the product and the name of the product is written. At the back of the bottle you can see the amount of the product and recyclability, and the life cycle of the product is also written. As this is a glass jar, so this product is recyclable, which is so good. And you have 30 ml of product, and you can see the life cycle of product is written as 12 months over here, which is 1 year, and the product retails for 449, which is really affordable for a vitamin C serum. The price of vitamin C serums are usually very costly, and that is the reason most of the people do not go for vitamin C serum, even though vitamin C serum is very necessary for your skin. But Garnier has launched their first vitamin C serum, which is really affordable. So that's really amazing. As I have been telling you that this product, this is a vitamin C serum. Why vitamin C serum is very essential for your skin, I've already told that and explained it in detail. But let me quickly remind you, why do your skin need vitamin C or vitamin C, whatever you want to call it. So vitamin C जो होता है ये एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट होता है या एंटीऑक्सीडेंट की तरह काम करता है. मैंने पहले भी आपको ये बताया है बट फिर भी रिमाइंड कर रही हूँ कि ये एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट की तरह काम करता है जो आपका जो फ्री रेडिकल्स होता है उसके साथ फाइट करने में हेल्प करता है. सेकेंडली, विटामिन सी आपके स्किन को क्या करता है, जो यूवी रेज की वजह से जो आपके स्किन सेल्स को डैमेज होता है ना, उससे फाइट करने में भी हेल्प करता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इट ऑल्सो इनहिबिट्स द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेलानिन इन योर स्किन, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो स्किन का अनइवन टोन है वो थोड़ा ठीक होने लगता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आपके स्किन पे जो डार्क स्पॉट्स का या फिर ब्राउन स्पॉट का प्रॉब्लम है उसको धीरे टाइम के साथ रिड्यूस करता है विटामिन सी. Or lastly, it gives you brighter looking skin. So these are some of the points which vitamin C helps you with. So I think that is enough knowledge about why do you need vitamin C. Now if we talk about the consistency, formula and texture of the product, if you say the color of the product is white like this, as you can see, and the texture of the product is really lightweight and gets absorbed into the skin so quickly, and it is non-sticky and non-greasy. It gives a subtle and gentle glow to the skin. It will be a very good option for summer. So coming to the claims of the product, this product claims to reduce your dark spot in 3 days, in only 3 days, which is a huge claim. Like after using this product, what I actually felt is that it starts reducing the spot, these from like very dark to lighter versions, and in that way eventually it will remove, I think, but that will take time because to remove dark spots it takes time, and it starts reducing only from 3 days, which is really amazing. Now I have told you all the important points about the product, texture of the product, pricing of the product, everything I have told you. Now you definitely must be wondering that how you're going to use it and कितने टाइम आपको यूज़ करना है, कैसे यूज़ करना है. सो इसको यूज़ करने का तरीका ना बहुत ही सिंपल है. You only need to do 3 simple steps, which is drop, then spread and then dab. Simple mantra in your life can give you very beautiful looking skin. I include this product in my morning and night skincare routine. I've been constantly using this ever since I got it to try this product out, and eventually I end up liking this product so much that it has become a constant part of my skincare routine right now. I firstly like to cleanse my face using any cleanser that I have, and then I went with this Garnier Micellar water to clean any extra dirt that I have on my face. You can see the amount of dirt that I had on my face for yourself. And then I'm taking the product with the help of the dropper that's there, and I'm taking 3 to 4 drops on my palm, and like I said, drop, and then I'm spreading it on my palms quite well, and then I'm dabbing it onto my face. So it has the lemony refreshing fragrance to it, which is really soothing, and you can see the result for yourself how glowy your skin looks after you apply this product onto the face. One thing I really like to add up here is that when I use this in the morning time, I always lock it using a sunscreen, and I would suggest you to do the same, because whenever you are using anything that contains vitamin C in the daytime, then you should definitely lock that thing using a good sunscreen. Otherwise you might end up having reverse effect. So I think I've covered everything you need to know about the product, and in case you have made your mind and you want to check this product, you can easily buy this product from Flipkart. The link will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And also let me know in the comment section if you have tried this and you are going to try this. Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know your point of view and your view on this product. Please let me know in the comment section. So with that, I'm done with this video, you guys. I hope it was informative, and it was informative enough for you to know about the product. If it really was, then you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Also press that bell icon along with the subscribe button, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.